Hi beekeepers, Jenna here with Mann Lake. We've had a lot of requests on how to use the swarm trap, so today I'm just going to walk you through that. So first things first, this is the swarm trap that we sell. It's just a molded pulp material, so it's disposable. You can use it for a season, then you're probably going to have to replace it depending on how long it's actually out in the yard. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in the Mann Lake swarm lure. So with this particular swarm lure, we are just going to take a tack and tack it into the inside. Envelope and all, there's 2 vials in there. Those 2 vials together, when they start to warm up, will release the lure. So you don't want to open the envelope, you just tack envelope and all right inside of there. Now we do carry the full line of the Swarm Commander products. Those work really great as well. You just spray those or apply the gel in here and that would be your swarm lure. So once I've got my lure in there, I'm just going to replace the cover, make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then as far as choosing your tree, I personally like to find a tree that has another branch coming out that's about 6-7 feet in the air. So I've got a really good tree right here that I'm going to just wedge this up in the branch. Now, if you're in an area where you may not have a lot of trees around, this swarm trap does have several grommets throughout that you can punch the material out and wire it into place, but I'm fortunate I don't have to do that. I'm just going to place it up into the tree. All right, so when you're placing it, you're going to want to place it so the hole at what looks like the bottom of the trap is facing outward. What you're trying to do is mimic the hollow of a tree. Just for security then, I'm going to take one of our hive straps and I'm going to strap this into place just to make sure that if I do get bees in there, if we get a windstorm, that it's not going to just easily blow out. So that'll just give me a little extra security to keep that in place. Should I have a swarm, I'm going to come back and check this probably once a week or so just to see if I have bees coming and going. And if I do, then I would simply just take it out, take it to the hive and put my bees in the hive. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Certainly, if you've got additional requests, you can put them in the comments and we'd be happy to put a video together for you. And if you have specific beekeeping questions, call our staff or visit our website and check out our new beekeeping assistant, Bella. Thanks. Thank you for watching. We're happy to be able to provide videos from finding your queen to checking for mites. Follow our YouTube channel for new content.